15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I will check out. That is correct. Any other way? I am checking out. I am checking out. My room number is 305. That is correct. Any other way? Room number 305. Room number 305. I return the key. That is not right. What should I say? I will give back the key. I will give back the key. I will do payment. That is not correct. How do you say it? I will pay. I will pay. I pay by card. That is correct. Any other way? By card, please. By card, please. I pay by cash. That is correct. Any other way? By cash, please. By cash, please. Give me a receipt. That is too strong. What should I say? Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt? Call me taxi. That is not correct. How do you say it? Please call a taxi. Please call a taxi. I go to airport. That is not correct. What should I say? I go to the airport. I go to the airport. Carry my baggage. That is not right. How do you say it? Carry my luggage. Carry my luggage. I do not have forgot things. That is not correct. What should I say? I did not forget anything. I did not forget anything. The room was clean. That is correct. Any other way? It was clean. It was clean. It was very good. That is correct. Any other way? It was great. It was great. I will come again. That is correct. Any other way? I will visit again. I will visit again. Goodbye. That is correct. Any other way? See you again. See you again. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.